Yep, sure. I'll show you some tricks that I learned. Here's where you got to really be patient because, watch, pedal snap ring removal, okay? This is what I learned back in the day. Okay, you ready? Now take your bigger screwdriver against the snap ring, okay? Now here's the thing. Ready? Ready? Watch this. Don't hit your leg with it. Ready? Hang on. Take patience. Because, alright. Still filming? I don't want to hit the pedal. I mean the tire rubber. It's a little rusted on there because it's been on there since 1930s. There you go. Okay. And that's that. There's your snap ring and your pedal. And then you can kick your bracket off properly. Okay. What I'm going to show you next is these rims come apart, so you can take the tire off. And is this thing still filming? Yeah.